yeah, it's been an amazing journey with Huawei, and as we progress in our aspirations to connect millions of homes within South Africa, Huawei has been absolutely an integral part.
Welcome. Are you ready, sir?
I am ready.
Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Dewald Boyson. I'm the Chief Operations Officer for Massive.
Could you please give us a brief introduction of Massive and Vumatel and yourself?
So Massive is a group holding company that comprises of a number of subsidiaries. The two main subsidiaries being Dark Fiber Africa and Vumatel, that plays in the enterprise, mobile and FTTH fiber connectivity space. We as Massive believe in connecting South Africa, and our aspirations are to connect all South Africans from a connectivity perspective to give them access to data in abundance.
How is the South African market differentiated from the other countries?
Vumatel is currently the leading FTTH provider, having around 2.1 million households covered by FTTH, with a penetration rate of around just below 1 million subscribers. Vumatel predominantly played in the high income areas initially. We saw the need to not just ensure fiber is provided to high income consumers, but also very important to expand into low income areas where the need was actually very high. And since we've launched in those low income areas with a prepaid offering that addresses the affordability in that market, we've been able to do just over 1 million homes within the low-income market segment.
What challenge are you facing for the digital divide bridging?
It was always easy to roll out in the metro network areas because access to backhaul fiber infrastructure was available. It was relatively easy to roll out within these environments. They're quite dense, so they're quite capex efficient. It was easy also from a user experience at the consumer layer because customers were used to ADSL type services. When we start moving into the lower income areas where consumers are predominantly used to mobile type offerings, we had to go through quite a big education drive to show the use case and the benefits of fiber to those communities. The challenges are obviously being an infrastructure provider, the cost of capex is always high. And as we drive penetration into more rural type areas where it's less dense, the cost of capital is quite important to reduce while looking at the operational costs to ensure it's efficient to continue rolling out and showing a good return on investment.
Could you tell us more about the details of cooperation between Vumatel and Huawei?
Yeah, Huawei started with us quite early in our journey. Huawei was able to supply the demand that we had without any challenges, and since then we've just grown year to year in our partnership. And Huawei's been absolutely instrumental in us, ensuring that we stay capex efficient, stay relevant in the market from an FTTH perspective. And yeah, it's been an amazing journey with Huawei. And as we progress in our aspirations to connect millions of homes within South Africa, Huawei's been absolutely an integral part in ensuring that we review the technology layer, how we roll out into these areas to ensure that we can still unlock capital to continue our rollouts and ensure we get a user experience to our customers out there.
What is your perspective about the potential of the future that Vumatel and Huawei can cooperate together?
We are seeing the need to mature how we operate our networks, how we get as best possible customer experience, and how we automate our operations and maintenance is absolutely critical to keep the operational costs down. We've seen this with Huawei, and we are seeing over the next journey how we're going to be able to make use of the AI capability to ensure that we drive the absolute monetization of our network, which is linked to good customer experience.
What impressed you most about MWC 2025?
A good experience, and it's quite overwhelming to see so many vendors, industry players, customers at the event from all over the world. And I'm looking forward to the next couple of days to see what it's got to offer.
Thank you so much for sharing.
And it's been an absolute pleasure being part of the Huawei's All In Talk, and stay tuned for All In Talk.